Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share to you how to download the funny laugh sound effect commonly used in vlogs. So first step is to go to the YouTube browser, then on the search folder you type the funny laugh sound effect. Okay, and then you chose this one, the 7 seconds video, and then just play it. Play the video. Okay, then click the share button. Then click the copy link. Okay, after copying the link, we need to go to the Google browser. Okay, so here just type MP3 converter, and then the first one that will appear on top will be the one that we are going to select. So click YouTube to MP3 converter. Okay, and then we have to paste the copied link here, and then click the convert button. So here you can see we have an option MP3 and MP4. Just select the MP3 because we only need the sound effect, and then click the download button. So there will be a notification, do you want to download funny laugh sound effects for your vlog MP3 again? Just click download. Okay, so it's done. You can click the open instruction so we can confirm if it is already downloaded. So guys, it's already downloaded. Just find it at your download folder, so you can use this now to your future vlogs. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell so you get updated of our latest videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.